Are you missing something in your trading, but aren't sure what it is? Trading can be simple once you understand the mechanics of why price moves in the first place. TRG, the Trading Research Group, is an educational community dedicated to helping others learn how expert, professional traders see supply and demand in real time and take trades based on this information.
It's like traders helping traders.
There's so much information in there that you really can find your way pretty easy to find where the next level needs to be.
At TRG, we actively research the markets and share the results with our members through actionable, high-probability trade setups.
I made what I spent on the boot camp back the first day that I was trading because I understood what to look for.
I spent like 3 days just doing one-tick drills. I was getting like 50 trades in a day, 47 winners.
TRG equips aspiring traders with the knowledge they need to trade like a professional, brings like-minded traders together in live meetings and online chat for continual learning, and provides access to foundational boot camps and even advanced courses, including HFT and algorithmic trading development. We have dozens of dedicated clinics and workshops on specific topics, from how to scalp effectively through to swing trading using order flow and many topics in between.
The value is immeasurable. You're never going to be too much for the group. You're always going to get that feedback that you need.
We dive deep into the things a professional trader needs to understand, but very few retail traders are aware of.
There was some fairly big absorption, 461 contracts. It's only going to be a good bottom when this is more than 572 contracts. It tells us the low is not a good enough low.
Pledge is getting bought. It's a long, but I would rather be long here. It was a really sweet open 5B. So anywhere down here, see that UB right there? Then I'm reading it right. But let's see how the sweeps impact this one. This whole area is where my long is. And there we go. Okay, so I'm reading it right.
It would probably be the best investment you're ever going to make. Nobody teaches you the stuff that are covered in the boot camp.
If you want to progress past inconsistent results and time-wasting technical indicators, we can help put you on the right path with straight-talking education delivered by actual full-time traders sharing their trading methods.
Learning how to scalp and to consistently make $100, $150 a day for months on end has been the biggest paradigm shift that has changed my trading.
To join hundreds of other traders that we've helped on the path to success, head to tradingresearchgroup.com now and get started.